class. Good morning everyone. How are you? All are fine. Great. So it's time to begin with our today's classes, isn't it? But first, please let me know whether you all are actually enjoying these classes or not. You are learning from them or not. Clear? So when you are sharing your homework with me, your daily classwork and homework, I find some mistakes in it which I am acknowledging. But again, when you are repeatedly sharing that, same mistakes are there. So that means the corrections which I am acknowledging you are not taking care of it. See bacha, the way ma'am acknowledges you, कि please just check the formation of alphabet K, or just check the formation of this number, this particular alphabet needs correction, practice this alphabet. So these are few guidelines which I keep sharing with you all. But whenever you are sharing that work again, whenever we are doing revision and you are sharing it back, again the same mistake, the same errors are happening. Please, I am repeatedly asking you, don't do like that. If I am acknowledging you something, if I am telling you, please listen to it and practice that particular alphabet extra times. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा बार उसको practice कर लो आप. Clear? Because the main thing that we have to do or we have to learn is correct formation. Formation of your alphabets should be correct. अगर आपको मैंने बोला है कि your alphabet should not go beyond blue line, तो वो नहीं जाना चाहिए. Clear? Because now we are going to, after one or two more classes, we are going to begin with small letters, that is cursive alphabets. तो अगर आपके capital alphabets clear नहीं होंगे, how will I start with cursive? Clear class? So please be very particular about your formations. Follow all my instructions, and in the upcoming classes we are going to start with our cursive alphabets. So when we are going to do our cursive alphabets, उस time पे भी you have to keep one thing in your mind, that you have to practice, practice and practice. जितनी बार आप practice करोगे, उतना ही अच्छे से आप लिख पाओगे. Is that clear to all? So whenever I am telling you anything, follow that. कई बार होता है कि to XYZ students I am telling कि बेटा your this formation is wrong, please make it correct. Even I am telling you the correct formation with the help of a small 4 to 5 second clips also I am sharing with those parents. Still the formation is not corrected. So please be very careful about all these things. Okay? So let's begin with our today's class. So today is 8th October 2020. So can anyone tell me the date? Date I have told you 8th October and the day is Thursday. What is the day today? Thursday. So what we are going to do? We are going to do one of the same concept that we have already done. That is, we are going to practice alphabet A to Z in a sequence order. Okay? So in the previous class we have done that work in book. You remember that? Today we are going to do this in our notebook, but in a different way. Okay? So in maths yesterday we did missing number. Remember that? When we were writing the numbers, the given series we were completing, and we were writing the numbers that was missed. So you remember the meaning of word missing? Missing means when we were writing, some of the numbers we missed to write. हम भूल गए, skip कर गए. Similarly, today we are going to do fill in the missing alphabets. Now, I have written alphabets A to Z. Clear? So A to Z is what I have written. But again, while I was writing A to Z, I missed few alphabets. कुछ alphabets ma'am ने miss कर दिए. Clear? So what we are going to do? We are going to write those missing alphabets in the given space. See, I have written alphabets, but I have left some space ना. बीच-बीच में कोई space छोड़ दिया है. So what we all are going to do? We are going to write those missing alphabets in their place. Is that clear to all of you? So you all are aware of your alphabetical series. Remember हमने उस दिन किया था A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Isn't it? So let us say it once again, and after saying it, जब हम इसमें स्टार्ट करेंगे, सिमिलरली हम सॉन्ग की तरह से इसको सिंग करेंगे. एंड आई टेल यू, सी इट इज वेरी इजी टू लर्न अ सॉन्ग. ठीक है, यू ऑल नो डिफरेंट सॉन्ग्स, आपको बहुत अच्छे से सारे सॉन्ग्स याद हो जाते हैं, राइम्स याद हो जाती हैं. सो द बेस्ट वे टू लर्न सीक्वेंस A to Z is with the help of this song. Clear? So I'm going to sing it once again. आप लोग मेरे साथ रिपीट करिए, just repeat with me. And after doing this orally, we are going to sing the song and complete the series also. Clear? Let us say once again. A, B, C, D. Now say with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Isn't it? So now let us do this and complete our work for today. Okay? So say A B C D. पता लगा ना हमें कौन सा अल्फाबेट्स लिखते हैं? A B. So we are going to write B, A, B, C, D. So we'll write D here. The sound is D. E, F, G. So we have E with us. E, F, G. F, G. So let's say it once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. So the next alphabet we missed here is I. So I'll write H, I, J, K. So we'll write K here. L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N. So we'll write N here. M, N, O, P. So next letter is P. Now A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So, here we are going to write R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So, U, V, then W, X, Y, Z. Now I know my ABC. Come along, let's sing ABC. Let's start again. A, B, C, D, E, F, your A to Z. Clear class? Now moving towards our today's work, or let's have a sound revision also. Clear? So let's have a sound revision. Apple on the tree says eh, eh, eh. Bat and ball says ba, ba, ba. Clever pussycat says ka, ka, ka. Dimpy the drum says da, da, da. Ali the elephant says eh, eh, eh. Finny the fish says ga, ga, ga. Grumpy Finny the fish says fur, fur, fur. Grumpy the goat says ga, ga, ga. Hat and horse says Igloo. Say igloo in the ice says e, e, e. Jam and jelly says ja, ja, ja. Kite and kangaroo says ka, ka, ka. Light and the lamp says la, la, la. Monty the monkey says ma, ma, ma. Nilly the nurse says na, na, na. Orange in the plate says oh, oh, oh. Parrot the mittu says pa, pa, pa. Quill and queen says quack, quack, quack. Rat and rose says ra, ra, ra. Sun and ship says sa, sa, sa. Tiger, Tommy the tiger says da, da, da. Umbrella comes says ah, ah, ah. Violin and vase says ba, ba, ba. W for watch says wah, wah, wah. Christmas tree says kus, kus, kus. Yak and yacht says yeah, yeah, yeah. Zebra and zip says zoo, zoo, zoo. Clear everyone? So what I have done, I have taken two names of each alphabet, two objects of each alphabet with this sound. This is how you can make your own rhymes, isn't it? Okay. Now moving towards today's today's work. So what we are going to do? We are going to do this work in notebook. So do this work in your notebook. Do this work in notebook. How you are going to do that? Can anyone tell me? So we are going to write missing alphabets in our notebook today. Clear? So let's see how we are going to do that work. Okay? So class, just see how you are going to do today's work in notebook. So like this, we can make a worksheet or fill the missing alphabets in notebook. Skip any alphabet. So this work can be given by parents. You can skip any alphabet you feel like, and when you will practice it multiple times, the one which you have skipped here, you can write on the next page, और जो यहाँ लिखे हैं उन्हें next page पे skipping कर दीजिएगा. ठीक है? So this is how you can do the practice of missing alphabets. So let's see how we are going to do that. First we are going to write today's date. So today is, yes class, 8th October. So we'll write 8th October 2020. This is our date, and here we are going to write classwork. Clear? Now the topic is A to Z. That means we are going to write A to Z alphabets, but fill the missing alphabets. Again, the alphabet series has been written here from A to Z, but few alphabets are missing. So what we are going to do? We are going to write those missing alphabets. Clear? जो missing alphabets हैं हमें वो लिखने हैं. Now, one thing which I want to tell you and would like to request you all, please see the formation of these alphabets. The one which I have already written with pen, and the one which we are going to write with pencil now. Please see the formation and follow that formation. Is that clear? Many of you are writing N and W incorrect even now also. So please check the formation and do the work. So let's begin. A, B, C. So what is the next alphabet here? I am going to write C. So see how we are going to write alphabet C. Like this. Is it visible to all? Clear? Now D. What comes after C? D. So like this we'll write our alphabet D. Clear? Next. A, B, C, D, E. Yes. So यहाँ पे क्या लिखना है? We are going to write alphabet E. So first we'll write standing line, then one sleeping line, second and third sleeping line. Clear? F, then comes G. So like this we'll write G. Then H, I, J. So the next alphabet here we have to write J. Clear? Then after J, I, J, K. So one standing line, then one first slanting line, and here comes the second slanting line. Clear? K, L, M. See the formation of M, N, O. So what I am going to write here? O. P, Q, R. So now we will write alphabet R. Then S, T, U, V. So next alphabet is V. W. Now see how we are going to write W. X, Y, Z. Clear? Now see the proper formation of all the alphabets here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Is that clear, all of you? So this is how you are going to do your today's classwork. Now your today's homework is same as classwork. So your homework is same as classwork. That means first you will write your work once as your classwork, then you will repeat the same on the other page as your homework. But what you can do is the alphabets that was missing here, उनको आप यहाँ लिख सकते हैं, and you can take these alphabets A, B, F, H here as missing alphabets. So this is the way you can revise your today's work. Is that clear to all? So class, I hope you have understood the different ways of doing revision of your alphabet of your today's work. So keep practicing your alphabets, your capital alphabets A to Z, and from next class onwards we are going to begin with our cursive alphabets. Is that clear to all? So now finish your work, share it by today itself, so that I can tell that which alphabet you need to practice more. Clear? Bye for now. Meet you soon with something